apocalypse.
What's up everyone, it's Exo here. Today we're going to do a video of my fireworks stash part 2. Went to WFBoom a few weeks ago, picked up a second order, and this is what it is. I got a case, go long, comes 8 in a case, and the effects, or performance I should say, is 12 shots, aerial. Colors are red, sky blue, white, lemon blue. The effects are strobe, dahlia, brocade crown. Sound is crackling. Duration is 42 seconds on average. We have a case of Mighty Mantis. It's 32 shots. 32 shots. Duration is 18 seconds on average. It's angled. Effects are crackling, stars, glittering, comets, willows, and dahlias. The colors are red, gold, purple, and green. The performance is red ball, the red stars with crackling, gold glittering comets on sides, with gold glittering willow in center, red ball, the purple stars with green glittering, red dahlia with crackling. Down here, I got a case of Cosmic Barrage. It's a 20 shot. Shots are 20. Duration is 23 seconds on average. It's a straight / angled fire. Effects are dahlia, crackling mine, glitter, brocade, stars, and strobe. The colors are red, lemon, blue, gold, white, yellow, purple, and green. Performance is 5 shots at a time. Row 1 and 3, shots 1 and 5, red, lemon, and blue dahlia with gold glittering breaks. Shots 2 and 4, red, lemon, and blue dahlia with crackling mine. Shots 3, large brocade with red stars and white strobe. Row 2, shots 1 and 5, yellow, purple, green dahlia with red glittering breaks. Shots 2 and 4, red, green, purple dahlia with crackling mines. Shot 3, large brocade with green stars and white strobe. Row 4, shots 1 and 5, red, green, and purple dahlia with white strobe. Shots 2 and 4, red, green, and purple dahlia with crackling mines. Shots 3, a large brocade with blue stars and white strobe. Now, I got a full case of Hit Me With Your Best Shot. Comes 6 in the case. The performance is alternating fan / straight up aerial. Shots are 22. Colors are red, blue, silver, gold, multicolor. Effects are strobe, silver tip stars, and mine. Sound is crackle / sizzle. It's 40 seconds on average. The pacing is fast and slow. Now I got a case of Show Force. I really heard that this was a good case, or a good cake I should say. Many of you probably know him, but his YouTube channel is Pimp Dandy 28. I watched his video of this and I was hooked on it. So it's definitely a must-have to get for me. And the shots are 15 seconds. Duration is anywhere from 30 to 35 seconds. Volume is loud, like he said in the video. Every company always gives themselves a good one, good rating. But this is a very good cake, in my opinion, from what I saw. And okay, so the fan spread is 30 degrees. It's crackle, break, and strobe. Break size is hard. The colors are red, blue, lemon, green, purple, and gold. And it says, a Thunderer's display of very large, full, powerful breaks which alternate between angled V patterns and straight-up single-shot shells. The 15 multicolor large hanging palm, brocade, and willow bombards work together as a team to exhibit the potency of this aerial force. Now, I got a case of the, 10 shot assortment. They're 200 gram cakes. You get 2 Shimmer and Shine. The shots are 10. Duration is 24 seconds. The type is straight fire. Effects are glitter, crackling, palm, and ground. The colors are gold, red, silver, and green. Performance is gold glitter crown with silver glitter, crackling flower with red glitter, large gold palm with green glitter. The second one is knockoff. It's 10 shots. Let's see, 10 shots. Duration is 25 seconds. The type is straight fire. Effects are tails, stars, and crackling. Colors are red, green, yellow, and blue. Performance is red tail, the red stars and crackling. Green tail, the green stars and crackling. Red tail, the yellow stars and crackling. Green tail, the blue stars and crackling. The third one is bolt. It's 10 shots. Duration is 25 seconds. It's a 10 shot. Type is straight fire. Effects are tails, stars, and glitter. The colors are red, white, green, yellow, and blue. Performance: red tail, the red stars and white glitter. Green tail, the green stars and white glitter. Red tail, the yellow stars and white glitter. Green tail, the blue stars and white glitter. Now, a must-have for me is O.G Pyro. Got full case. It's 4 in a case. When I first saw this, I really wanted it, and I'm glad that they had it in stock. Now this is what it is. It's 50 shots. Duration is 43 seconds on average. Type is angled. Effects are tails, crackling, palm, glittering, rain, stars, whistle, turbiline, fish. Pretty sure if I misspelled that, I'm sorry. It's red and green, gold, silver, white, purple, and blue. Performance is rose 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, and 10. Red, green tail to crackling, red tail to red palm, silver tail to white glitter, purple tail to purple and silver rain, blue tail to red and blue. Row 3, red and green swinging star. Row 6, silver tail to silver turbiline. Row 7, blue tail to blue silver fish. Row 9, silver tail to loud whistle and crackling. Now, I got a case of, I believe it's the Sweet 16, Havoc, Eureka, and Dynamo. Havoc is a 16 shot. Duration is 25 seconds on average. Type is straight fire. Effects are tail, waves, and star. Colors are blue, gold, and silver. Performance is gold tail to orange waves with blue stars. 4-shot finale. Let me get this out the way real quick. And Eureka is 16 shots. Duration is 24 seconds. It's a straight fire. Effects are ball, willow, tail, crackling, chrysanthemum. It's blue, gold, and silver for colors. Performance: blue ball to big gold willow, silver tail to crackling chrysanthemum. 4-shot finale of blue ball to big gold willow. And Dynamo is 16 shots. Duration is 24 seconds. The type is straight fire. Effects are tails, dahlia, glitter, willow, stars, brocade. Colors are red, blue, orange, white, and gold. Performances: red, blue, and red / orange tails to red dahlia with white glitter. Gold glitter willow with blue stars, red and orange dahlia. 4-shot brocade finale. Got a case of Buzzards Roost. And it's 3 in a case. And it's 16 shots. The performance is white glittering and 5 whistle mines to brocade crown to red with white glitter, red coconut, blue pistol with crackling, brocade crown to green with white glittering, purple and green coconut with crackling. 4-shot finale of white glitter and whistling mines to brocade crown with crackling. This case is, I believe, the Mine and Shell case. It's Wild Factor, Heavy Metal, and Overdrive. The effects for Wild Factor are 19 shots, whistle tail to purple peony, and green glitter, blue peony to gold glitter, and with 4 rapid shots of loud crackling. The heavy metal effects are 19 shots, crackling tail of blue peony with glittering, silver coconut, and with 4 rapid shots of red and silver to crackling. Overdrive effects are 19 shots, red dahlia to crackling willow, green dahlia to crackling willow, and with 4 rapid shots of silver happy star. Now I got a case of Excelsior. It's 3 in a case, 16 shots, and performance is 16 shots, duration is 24 seconds. The type is straight fire. Effects are crackling mine, brocade crown, glittering pistol, crackling willow. Colors are white, green, blue, and gold. Forms is titanium crackling mines to brocade crown with white glitter, brocade crown with green glitter, brocade crown with blue pistol. 4 shots of titanium crackling mines to silver crackling willow with blue pistol. I think I said that correctly. Now here is a case of the Power 6 assortment, I believe. It's high caliber, bring the rain, shrapnel, and warhead. Move these over real quick. Okay, for high caliber, it's 24 shots. The duration is 22 seconds on average. It's angled. Effects are glitter, brocade, mines, crackling, chrysanthemums, and willows. Colors are red, gold, and silver. Performance is brocade mines with red glitter to gold willow to silver glitter, gold willow to red glitter, gold willow to crackling chrysanthemum. Bring the rain is 24 shots. Duration is 22 seconds. It's angled type. Effects are brocade crowns, mines, glitter, willow, and crackling. Colors are blue, silver, red, green, and gold. Performances: brocade mines with blue stars to silver brocade crown to red glitter, silver brocade crown to green glitter, silver brocade crown to crackling chrysanthemum. Shrapnel is 24 shots. Duration is 22 seconds. It's angled type. Effects are brocade mines, dahlias, glittering, willows, and crackling. Colors are red, silver, purple, green, blue, and gold. Performance: brocade mines to crimson dahlia to silver glittering willow, purple dahlia to green glittering willow, blue dahlia to silver crackling willow. Now, warhead is 24 shots. Duration is 22 seconds. It's angled. Effects are glitter, brocade, mines, crackling, and dragon eggs. Colors are red, white, gold, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Performance: brocade, mine to brocade, red to white glitter, yellow coconut to green glitter, red glitter to blue, purple coconut to crackling rain, brocade to dragon eggs. Now here is probably my favorite case I got. It's Willow Beach. I'm very glad they had this in stock. This cake is probably the best Nishiki Willow cake I've seen yet. The best performance wise, in my opinion. But this is 9 shots. Duration is 35 seconds on average. Just straight fire. Effects are brocade, willows, and glitter. Colors are gold. Performance is giant brocade willows with gold glitter 2-shot finale. Now up here I have a case of High Stepper. It's a fan zipper cake. Shots are 220 shots. Duration is 25 seconds on average. It's an angle fire. Effects are magtails, crackling, chrysanthemums, stepper, whistling. Colors are red, gold, and green. Performance: red and magtail to crackling chrysanthemum with stepper effects. Green mag to tail to crackling chrysanthemum and red magtail with loud whistles whistling end with quickened final 20 shots. Got a case of Party Box. It's 52 shots. Performance is straight up aerial bombard cake. Shots are 52. Colors are red, green, blue, purple, silver, and gold. Effects are strobe, glitter, palm, time rain, and mine. Sound is crackling and whistle. Duration is 120 seconds on average. And that's not exactly what they look like, but that's an idea of what it is. Now, I also got a case of full Monty shells. 1 3/4 inch shells. They come in 6 packs of 12 shells in each pack. Now, I made a cheap mortar rack. It's a 10 shot from my Excalibur tubes I did. It's not bad. Not the best. I think I did pretty good. I'm going to be picking up a 12 shot rack and a 6 shot rack from WFBoom, hopefully within the next few weeks. But that is all of it so far. Got my e-cig in the way. Yep, that's all. Also got these 2 fuses for free from, I think his name is Ray Hall from WFBoom. He's nice enough to hand me 2 fuses for free because I forgot to pick them up. He's a very good guy, very professional, very friendly. I highly recommend going to WFBoom if you're in Ohio area. Alright, that's it. Have a nice day.